Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just wanted to get on here real quick and share with you guys that Echo Park is having another warehouse sale. They are calling this a holiday warehouse sale and it's going on from today till November 27th. You get free shipping with orders over $50. And I just want to go through this and show you guys what they have. They do have a lot of categories, like a ton of categories, but they don't have any of the Winnie the Pooh paper that I would have been interested in, so I will not be shopping this sale. But in case you guys are looking to get any holiday papers or anything, you guys could check this out. So here is the collection kit category. If you buy 10, they're $65, which comes out to about $6.50 a piece. Otherwise, they are $7.50 individually. So they have a lot of Christmas going on here in case you guys wanted to get some Christmas. I mean, you could still craft for Christmas this year, but I craft Christmas all year long, so technically you could just get it and craft all year long along with me, but otherwise, then I guess it would wait for next year. But there's a lot of cute collections. The Letters to Santa is a really cute one right here, and then Gnome for Christmas is adorable. The Gingerbread Christmas Delivery is one of my favorites. Like, there's just so many cute Christmas ones that they have going on here. Happy Holidays. This is one I'll probably want to get at some point. I just used up the 6x6 and I really liked it. So that one was a super cute one. Santa Claus Lane is adorable. And there's just so many super cute ones. Then they also have winter collections going on here. They have Be Happy, the girl collections, Little Ladybug, which is like a little girl collection also. They got Baby Girl, Baby Boy. They've got It's a Girl. They've got a bunch of collections going on here. Halloween. I see one Halloween, one fall. Some Disney. Winterland is a really pretty winter themed one. Love Notes, perfect for Valentine's Day coming up, in case you guys want to do that. Some more Disney here. They've got a couple of summer papers. I see that summer one here, and I think there's one more that I saw earlier. And look at all this other Disney, and like all the Disney collections go together and you can mix and match. So even if you get one of each, you can mix and match and use them all together, which is fantastic. Here's a couple more summer up here and here, another fall, summer again, dots and stripes, and like the plaids are always good to have in your stash if you run out of paper like I do sometimes and you just need like one more sheet. Those are good to have. More summer here. Pool Party is a cute one. What else? I really like this one, the Summer Collection Kit by Cartabella. That's one of my favorites because I really love that watermelon paper in there. If you guys can kind of see that. Yeah, can you guys see that watermelon paper? I love it. So there's that. Some other collections here. Homemade, which is like a kitchen one. Gathers, like a home themed one. Good to Be Home. I think that's a newer one from this year actually. Away We Go. Some travel collections. Another kitchen one. A Home Again one. That one, you guys, that's one of my favorite home themed collections. And I remember I have like 10 or 12 collection kits of that. Like that one I love. I love the colors and everything, and I really do need to make more home themed albums as well. They've got some 4th of July, coffee paper. They've got a lot. Dynamite, My Dog, I Love My Dog, Bark. Wow, they have all 3 dog collections going on here. So yeah, get those if you've been wanting some doggy paper. And then they have I Love My Cat, more baby, football, Animal Kingdom, Little Explorers for kids as well. Fall, there's crafting collections, more fall, more Halloween. Okay, we got some more Halloween going on there. Wedding, and there's just a bunch, you guys. Wedding Bells, that's a new one. So you guys can get that one. Birthday Girl, Birthday Boy, Baby Boy. I love that one also. It's pretty paper. I love all the baby collections, to be honest, actually. I love most of them. And they have Happy St. Patrick's Day. So that's a St. Patrick's Day collection, first day of school. My favorite things, it's really cute. I have mine that I've been wanting to do something with, and I just have not done it yet, but yeah. So there are the collection kits. Here are the bundles they have on sale, only 3 bundles. But they got those. They've got some 6x6 paper pads. I think those are on a sale also. Yeah, $4 each or 3 for $10. This is the one I just used up, the 6x6 Happy Holidays. So they got some Christmas ones here and some baby, all 3 baby ones right here. Our Baby, which is the neutral themed one. Then Baby Boy and Girl, all the same collection, but different colors. Love those. And I especially love just the Our Baby, like the neutral one. It's my favorite. Love, love, love. Dynamite Little Explorer. I just gotta make all the things and more things. And yeah, they only have 2 pages of those, of 6x6 paper pads. They do have a couple more in the mega pads, but not a lot. They have ephemera that goes with all the baby collections right here. And just other collections too. So if you guys have something in your stash and you want some ephemera or anything, you guys can shop here, see what you have in your stash and try to mix and match and whatnot. I generally don't get ephemera. I used to buy a ton of ephemera when I did a ton of layering, and then when I started making albums, like I really just don't use ephemera that much. So I have a ton from when I did buy a bunch, and I do not need any more ephemera. Not anytime soon. If anything, I prefer like the sticker books just because ephemera, they're big. Generally, though these look really cute from the Happy Holidays. I don't know if this is a newer collection. Let me see what's on the back of these. They're cute, but I don't know. They might be a little big. See, that's the only thing with ephemera, they tend to be on the bigger side. But you also get decorative brads. You could shop those. So brads and a couple of chipboard pieces. You can match those to whatever collections you have in your stash as well. Then here is the chipboard. Again, they tend to be somewhat big. Actually, these baby ones look nice and small, especially the Our Baby right there. That one looks nice and small, and this one too, the Baby Girl. So those look pretty small. And if you want them thinner, you could always peel back some chipboard layers off. So that's an option. They got some washi tape, which again, I don't do washi tape. And then here are the mega pads. So these are $5 each. So there's like a random $12.99 one here. Why would you buy that during the sale? I don't know why it's $12.99 and why it's not $5 like all these other ones, but they have the Our Baby Boy and Girl and not the neutral one. Then they have enamel dots, $3 each. So you guys can get these if you have been wanting some, and if you don't do Nouveau drops. Printed cardstock is just solid cardstock, so I'll show you guys that in a second. Let me just open up a million more tabs so I can get through all of these and show you guys what they have. All right, so printed cardstock. Okay, Sage, I love that color, but Tiffany just gave me a bunch of green paper, so now I don't need to buy any of my own. The olive one is pretty too, but she just gave me a bunch of green, so I gotta die cut out some leaves. So yeah, but they're just solid sheets of paper. You've also got puppy stickers. These tend to be on the smaller side, which is great, but then again, they are puffy and they do add some dimension to your project, so if you don't want dimension, not a good idea. Photo sleeves, these are good for either your 12x12 layouts, like this one is a 12x12 page, or I think there's 6x8 ones. Hold on, these are all 12x12. This is a 6x8 right here. So if you do those like books, 6x8 books and albums, you could do those. And just different kind of styles. They are a pretty good deal if this is how you make albums. Then we've got the sticker books. Now I like the sticker books, like A Wonderful Christmas I think is a good one. I generally like the Christmas ones because I use those the most. And I think I have a couple of fall, but that's pretty much it in terms of stickers, just because I have a lot of like Christmas paper pads that don't have stickers, and the same for fall. I have the paper pads from like Michael's and they just don't have stickers, so I pull from a bunch of other collections. They also have sticker sheets, so you could kind of see everything that you'd be getting. So these are, I think, what was it, $3 each? No, $2 each, or 10 for 15. So if you've been wanting some of these, I generally go for the smaller ones. If I was to get these that are not part of a collection, I would go for like small ones or with sentiments, like the Magic of Winter would be a good one to get. because it looks like it has a lot of sentiments on there and generally smaller stickers. So like you guys have to kind of look around and see what you would be using. Then they have solid kits. So if you want these to go with any of your collections, you could get them here. I don't know why solids normally cost like $6.50. Like I feel that's so expensive for just a few sheets of paper. But at $3, they are a great deal. And I generally stock up on some Christmas ones because you can mix and match the Christmas ones with a lot of different collections. So I generally just buy those. Stencils, they've got some stencils for $3 if you do mixed media and whatnot. Something I never got into, but I love how the cards turn out. And then there's some dies that are on sale. So some are $7, some are $5, some are $10. There's a full price one here at $15. So I don't know what's going on with that, but they've got some that are on sale. And then some stamps. Got Christmas, fall. I love the buffalo plaid. So yeah, they got a bunch of different stamps if you like stamping and making cards and things. Then they have die and stamp sets. That little deer is so cute. Okay, so there's that. And then there's traveler's notebooks. Traveler's notebooks are $1.20 or $1.80 for 2 of them. So these are good to have if you guys do anything with traveler's notebooks. They already have like patterned paper kind of on them, which is awesome. Oh, this is actually a pocket folder. Well, I don't know if I would pay for a pocket folder. I make my own folders. This one's an insert, Coffee and Friends insert. So, oh, that's a folder as well. Are these just folders? I thought they were actual notebooks. This one says calendar here, but I would want like, just like lined pages. So blank monthly and daily calendar pages. So I don't really know what's in these. They don't really have other photos of what the pages look like. But if you also want photo corners, you could get some here. And I think that covers pretty much everything from this warehouse sale they have going on now. But I just wanted to let you guys know that they do have a sale going on. Go ahead and shop if anything caught your eye. Again, I am not shopping. I want the Winnie the Pooh Christmas collection or the plain Winnie the Pooh collection. That's the next time probably I'll be buying anything. But until then, I don't need anything. So happy shopping, you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.